If you're a chicken fan, then this is the recipe you should definitely try. To start, take a pan, add some red chillies, jeera, elaichi, long and bay leaf and some pepper and roast the masala. Set the masala aside to cool. Then in a deep karai, add some oil. Add in some butter. Then add the onion paste. Saute it till the onion becomes translucent and also loses its sweetness. Then add the ginger garlic paste and the green chilli paste. Saute it properly. Add the marinated chicken. I marinated the chicken with only turmeric and salt. Now let the chicken cook in the mixture. Now you can see that the chicken is properly coated. Every piece of the chicken is coated properly with the onion, ginger and green chili paste. Now add in the roasted masala powder. And add salt as per your taste and give it a good mix. Then add capsicum, ginger and mix it properly. Then add some curd. This will bind the chicken mixture properly. To serve, add some coriander leaves. And here you go, your chicken recipe is ready.